Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best electric pruning shears. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's the result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Vahisi. The electric pruning shears adopts advanced SK5 high carbon steel, very strong and durable, and powered by brushless motor. It is extremely sharp and durable, making it easy to cut 25 mm hard branches. Also, its service life is 3 to 5 times that of a conventional brush motor. The electric pruning shears designed the holder position, triangular force position, and soft rubber coating, with advanced scientific ergonomics. It will perfectly help you enjoy the gardening work continuously with our pruner. This design makes the shears a great helper for people with injured hands and arthritis hands, and also prevent people with high-intensity labor from repetitive motion injuries. Number 4. Brand name, dorset. Low noise, good fatigue resistance. Sharpness blade, made of tungsten steel, durable. High-quality lithium battery with high power and high storage efficiency. Polyvinyl chloride wrench with comfortable handle and no finger damage when used. The protection function of both sides of motor is controlled by Hall chip switch. Flexible in use, easy to turn, safe and reliable, easy to maintain, convenient to replace and operate. The working performance is stable, the pruning quality can meet the requirements of horticulture, and there is basically no leakage shear. Working hours, 8 to 10 hours. Battery, lithium 2000 mAh. Carbon steel blade, sharp and durable, experience smooth pruning with the cut surface is flat to prevent the cut surface from rot. And the cutting diameter can be up to 25 centimeters. After turning on the power, you need to press the trigger twice to complete the startup. Finger protection function for the user. The pruner was stopped working automatically when the fingers of users was touch the blade. Number 3. Brand name, Fujiwara. Shearing capacity is 25 mm, single pass cutting, SK5 carbon steel large cutter head, high hardness, sharp enough, can be trimmed quickly, clean and smooth, plus special anti-rust treatment knife sharp. Thickness can be cut, both length and length can be used. The edge trimming ability is extended to 25 mm 2 meters. The double start switch is very safe, and will not hurt your hands. After the work is completed, the safety switch must be pressed before the start switch can be pressed to ensure safe cutting. All types of gardens, parks, farms, large pastures, orchards, greenhouses, cut grapes, cherry trees, apple trees, etc. Number 2. Brand name, Kmai. Its portable design allows users to operate flexibly under different conditions. At the same time, its compact size and lightweight handheld design help reduce hand fatigue and can help users work more easily for longer hours. Use of durable steel blades. This material is sharp and durable. The maximum cutting diameter is 25 mm, so that pruning becomes effortless, and can trim various plants. The body weight of about 2.6 pounds, shock-proof and anti-slip, fits ergonomic design. You will not feel tired after a long time using. Equipped with 2-pack 16.8-volt 2Ah rechargeable lithium batteries, long battery life, sustained to use 6 to 8 hours, 2 hours fast charging. High-quality Li battery with high power and high storage efficiency. The non-slip handle and easy-to-use trigger switch make the operation easier and effectively improve the work efficiency. The cordless design allows you to get rid of the shackles of the cable and use it more flexibly. Number 1. Brand name, Aloe. Digital display scissors. Display battery power and number of scissors opening automatic power off. Automatic power off when touched by hand, safer operation. When the diameter of the cut branches is small, the knife edge can be converted to a small position, which can be speed up the cutting speed, improve work efficiency and save electricity. Comfortable grip, soft rubber wrap, ergonomic design, non-slip comfortable. Start up, turn on the power, quickly pull the trigger 4 to 5 times, the blade opens automatically. Shut down, long press the trigger and hear the sound twice, the blade will automatically close. Opening switching function, long press the trigger for 5 seconds to switch.